Hello everyone, this is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I picked up a few items from my Dollar Tree and let me show you what I picked up this week. This week I picked up some Easter items and let me show you the ones I picked up. I picked up 2 of these Easter trees. I like this. It's like an iridescent color. It's got like a bluish green, yellow, and pink, purplish tone to it. You know, it turned it a certain way and it's such a pretty color. And then I just made sure I had the stands for my trees. Okay, I'm going to move that aside. And I also picked up some garlands. I picked up 5 of these. And I was thinking to use one of these as an ornament, so I'll just unstring it and then hang them up on my tree this way. And then the other ones, I want to go ahead and just tie them together because see, look, see? You can just untie the string right here and then I'll just connect them that way. So I'm happy I picked this up. I thought about buying this last year, but when I finally decided to pick them up, they were all sold out. So this year, I'm getting those. I'm making sure I have my garlands. I found some new ribbons, and they only had 1 tray of this ribbon, and what was left is what I chose from. I found 2 of these light blue gingham ribbon, and it does have like an iridescent edging on there. I like the colors on this. It's I'm not sure if it's light blue or teal, but it is a very pretty color, and it is 9 feet. Let me grab my garland. You see, I mean, they match really well, right? The blues, cute. So I got 2 of the gingham, and then I also found this one in the same tray. Look at that. That is really pretty. I love the colors on that. And the 2 together, look at this. I only found the 1, so I'm thinking that I can put these 2 together to make my bow. I think it'll look really cute, and I'm hopeful that I will find some more because I've already checked 2 stores and this is all I could find in these patterns, but I'm hopeful that, you know, we'll get some more and I can grab some more of these ribbons, and that way I can just put it all over my house. And then I found these. These are Chanel ropes, and this one here is like a coral color. You get the purple, or it could be magenta, and then this one is like that light teal, light blue color. I like them. Here's the purple one. You see there? That's a nice size on the tinsel, especially if you're going to use it as a rope or as a garland, you know. And then here is that teal one. And then here is the coral color one. So see here, look at this. You see how thick that wire is? So it's not flimsy, in case you're wondering, but you know, it is still manageable, quite a pliable wire. And mine is kind of falling apart, but I think I can just rewrap it and I can glue that back down. But I did pick up 2 of these, and these are the only 3 colors that I saw in the tray. So I was quite happy to find these. And I believe that's it for the Easter items. I picked up another package of these neon glitter. You get 4 colors in here. You get the orange, the lime green, yellow, and the pink. And each color you get 3 grams. So I'm saving this up for Halloween. So I was happy to find another one. And then I found this adhesive spray. Well, I've seen it before, and I decided to go ahead and give it a try. It is Beacon Value. It is a multi-purpose adhesive spray, and it works on paper, wood, cardboard, and more. It is a 2-ounce bottle, and I want to have something small because my current spray is one of those huge aerosol cans, and it can be troublesome when you're doing like small projects. So I want to try that. I heard it works really well. And while I was at my Dollar Tree, I went ahead and picked up 2 more packets of the AAA batteries. And you get 10 batteries in here. I picked up the bonus pack. So I have a speaker that requires that, so I gotta make sure I have that on hand. And then I picked up one of these garden hooks. See, I like using this. I just hang it on my bookshelf like this, and I can hang stuff on there, like, you know, upcoming Dollar Tree hauls. I'll just take my shopping bag and hang it on here, and then hook it on my shelf. That way I know which bag I need to video next. I have decided to pick up 2 more of these ring binders, and these are by Jot, and it is 12 by 9.8 inches. And you see there, I like these cardboard binders, and they are 1.5-inch binders. I had picked one up already, so I liked the way it was working out for me in my craft room, so I picked up 2 more, and I will use these to organize my items in the craft room. You know, put little bits and pieces of everything in there. And then I was thinking about a new journal. What new journal I would like to try, and I've decided to use this. This is a Cinderella book. It is fairy tale storybook series, and it says you get an audio book in here, but it doesn't really. It's just they removed it. It looks like it, or it's a misprint. Regardless, I picked out 4, and I was thinking about using Cinderella in my journal. Now, I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to work this one. If you get a chance, take a look at all the illustration in this book. It's just beautiful. So I want to give it a try, and I knew I needed more than 1 book if I was going to make a journal, so I was able to find 4 of these. I found some new goodies at my Dollar Tree. These are new items to the Crafter Square section, and let me show you. It's an embroidery kit. Look at this. It's the little bunny. So I picked up 2 of those. So the finished product on this is supposed to be 4.1 inch. And it says the photo represents the finished item. So when you finish whatever you're doing, this is what it'll look like. And the skill level is beginner, so anyone can do that. So you get the canvas or the fabric, you get the threading and the needle, and the instructions in there. And it says that you will need an embroidery hook, a 3.5 embroidery hoop with basic sewing supplies. I'm sure they mean like scissors. So yeah, I find these to be just adorable. I got the bunnies, I found the, hold on, there's different kits in here. And then here's another embroidery kit. This is the bees. Look at that, how cute that bee looks with flowers. You see that? Gorgeous. Okay, let me see. Yeah, this is quite a happy find for me. And then here, this is also an embroidery kit. And it's of the butterfly. Beautiful, right? I love the colors. And it looks like that's it for the embroidery kit. And then I found some felt kits. Look at this one. This is a bee. And it's also at beginner level. So that means even I can finish it. So the fabric is like a gold tone. And you get the little felt pieces. You get the threading and a needle. And you will need the embroidery hoop and basic sewing supplies. Cute, right? So that's the bee. And then here, look at this one. This is a beehive. And you get the felt pieces, the threading, needle, and the white fabric background. So everything you need to create is in the package. Minus the hoop and the scissors. And then this one is a butterfly. It is such a pretty color. I love the combination on there. And then here's another butterfly. Look at that, how gorgeous. And one more. Look at this one too. So look at these butterflies. They all coordinate. Did I get them all? Let's see. Yeah, 4 butterflies, and they all go together. So if you were to not do just one image on a piece of fabric, you can take all these and make a cohesive image on one background, right? Or you can just use this, of course, sew it on, and then you can do a fussy cut and use it on journaling projects. You know, add it to your scrapbooking projects. And then for the bees, let's see. Make sure I got them all. So you get the the beehive and you get the 2 bees. Okay, for some reason I thought there was another bee. I may have missed that one, but I think this is it. And then of course you get the bunny. And then there's also this one. This is also a felt kit, and it's the flowers. So this one you get looks to be all felt pieces with the fabric background. And then on this one you're going to need your embroidery hoop, basic sewing supplies, hot glue gun, and glue sticks. So see, everything is glued down, but of course you don't have to glue it down. You can use a needle and thread and sew it down too. And it's also at beginner level. Isn't that just neat? I love Dollar Tree. Thank you, Dollar Tree, for giving me all these goodies. Look, it's a lot. And then I did not even pick them all up. So visit your Dollar Tree. Hopefully they have it, because they have one with the puppy. They have a smiley face, I believe. They have a tiger, which I didn't pick up. And I can't remember the other one, but they did have a large quantity, and it all comes in one tray, so keep an eye out for these. Oh, amazing what you can find at Dollar Tree. This is my Dollar Tree haul for the week. I did pick up some new goodies that I'm quite happy I found. All these cute little craft kits, and I'm going to be giving them a try, and I plan on using them in my scrapbooking projects, and I'm going to have fun. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.